In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove underline from links in a WordPress website. This can be a fantastic way to customize your site's appearance and make it look cleaner and more polished. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. To start this process, you'll need to have access to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, what you want to do first is navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand side. Under this, you'll find the Customize option. Click on that to open up the WordPress Customizer. This section is like your control center for styling your website, and from here, you have the power to make a wide range of aesthetic changes. Next, you need to locate the additional CSS option, which is usually found towards the bottom of the sidebar. Clicking on this will open a window where you can input your own custom CSS code. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a language that's used for describing the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. It's what controls things like colors, fonts, and other design elements on your site. Here's the CSS code you'll be adding: A. Text decoration, none. What this snippet does is tell the browser to apply no text decoration to links, effectively removing the underline. It's a simple but effective line of code that can dramatically change your site's appearance. When typing or pasting this in, make sure you don't miss any semicolons or brackets, as even small errors can cause the code to not work as intended. Once you've added the code, you can immediately see the changes on the preview pane on the right side of your screen. It's always a good idea to check here to ensure that the change has been applied correctly and that it looks good across different pages of your site. If you're satisfied with how things look, simply hit the Publish button located at the top of the Customizer panel to save your changes. This ensures that the adjustments are live on your site for all visitors to see. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove the underline from your links in WordPress. This change can help your links blend seamlessly with the rest of your text for a neat and tidy web page. Remember, playing around with CSS is one of the best ways to personalize your website and make it uniquely yours. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.